Hey folks, I just found this awesome place in Bessemer, Alabama, and it is called the Paisley Pig. And I will show you all around this beautiful place and all of the wonderful things that they have. But before I do that, let me introduce you to...
Hi, I'm Rosanna Borelli. I'm the owner of the Paisley Pig.
Great, Rosanna. Tell me, what is the most big thing that you sell? What's the thing that you cannot keep in the store? It goes out just like that.
Matching end tables and side tables. As soon as my vendors bring a set in, within 48 hours, they're gone.
Wow. And what would you say would be the second thing?
Our boutique clothing for women, definitely.
So you have clothing also?
For men and women. We have men's suits and shirts and shoes. For women, we have everything from formal dresses to everyday casual wear, hair accessories.
This is where the camera just stopped. For some reason, it went dead, and I have no idea why. So, what Roseanne was going to tell you about, excuse me, was an event coming up February the 15th. And it is going to be awesome. So I'm going to read it on my computer here. Roseanne was about to explain to you that on February the 15th, from 9:30 in the morning till 8 in the evening, she is going to have or host a speakeasy, which is going to be so cool. How different is that? She's going to have pop-up vendors in addition to the ones that are inside. Let's see what else. She would like everyone to come and dress as a gangster, a flapper, or a silent screen star. Let's see, there will be all kinds of sales going on. And they're going to have great food and an Al Capone cocktail. Let's see, the whole day is just going to be a lot of fun. There'll be dancing. The vendors are going to be offering 20% off. The Paisley Pig vendors are going to be offering 20% off. And there's going to be prizes and prizes for the attire that you wear. They're going to have a class where you learn how to chalk paint, and you have to register for that. So I will put down all of the information that you need to attend this in the comment section or in my section below, so you can have it. But if you're in the local area or you want to take a little day trip and come to this place in Bessemer, Alabama, please do. The little area that she was in is the front of the building, and she had it all dressed as the 1920s, and it was really cute. I did a lot of videoing of it, but I don't know what happened. For some reason, it just died. But so you'll have to go to it to see it. So, okay, let's get on with how lovely this store was and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.